Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, this is a exciting one for me because I am going to unbox condenser microphone. This is Mono AU-PM 420 microphone. So my YouTube channel has been growing at a constant rate. So I thought, why don't I get a professional audio guide so that I could make much better videos. So I recently got it from Amazon. So you can also buy this from Amazon. It's pretty cheap. It's just 50 bucks. So it cost me around like 3,500 to buy. Well, let's unbox Maono AU-PM 420 box and see what's inside it. The packaging could have been better, but I don't know what happened during the delivery. It may have gotten damaged. Well, let's open the box and see what's inside it. Well, as you can see on the top, we have got the pop filter. The pop filter is a pretty good quality one. The metal is also pretty good, and there is anti-wind foam cap, as you can see, a small one. And let's open the second layer. In the second layer you have got the microphone stand. It is totally an aluminium built, which is a pretty good quality one. Next you got the shock mount to prevent the Z from, and there is a table clamp that's all metal, and you also get the cable wires. It's a USB wire, so you can directly connect it to your laptop or PC. Just plug and play, no need to install any drivers or softwares. Next you got the microphone. The microphone is a very good quality total aluminium metal build, and you can see the signing, and this is a single sided capsule, which means the audio will only work if you speak from the side where Maono is written, and as you can see at this part, and from the behind, if you see, there is no capsule, so there is no voice from behind. It only takes voice from the front. So this is the audio diagram, as you can see, and this audio diagram shays as a straight line, which means the audio quality will be good and crispy, as you can hear it. Now after doing all of this, let's set up the entire microphone and see how it sounds like and how everything works. So after doing the entire setup, now it's time to check the audio quality of the microphone. So let me show you first how your audio quality sounds if you are recording to a normal Android device or a built-in laptop. Hi, this is an audio testing for the audio from my smartphone. Hi, this is the audio recording from my laptop's built-in microphone. Now this is the audio recording from Maono AU-PM 420 without pop filter and without this cushion. Now let's do it with a cushion. Hi, this is the audio recording for Maono AU-PM 420 with a cushion. Now we are also using the pop filter. So when you are attaching pop filter, you need to attach here, not here, because there is some misprint in the guide which says to attach here, but it does not work. You should attach at this handle side. Hi, this is the audio recording for Maono AU-PM 420 with the pop filter. And this is the cheapest condenser microphone that you could buy on a budget if you want to start audio recording and thought of building a YouTube channel. You are willing to spend some $50 to $60, and in Indian rupees it's around 3,500, so that's a pretty good deal according to me. And the link is in the bio if you want to buy this product. There is also one more product from Fifin. I'll also provide the link for that. There is a discount. If you use that link, you will get around 40% discount, because that's an affiliation link. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please comment what kind of videos you want me to make next, because I'll be re-uploading all the old videos with the better audio quality and updated content. So see you guys then.